Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode. For the next hour, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tools we have, our brain. More especially, how to keep our brain remembering well. Many people say, "I forget easily," or "my memory is not good." But the truth is, memory is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Today, I'll share science, practical tips, habits, stories, and exercises that anyone can do to improve memory. So relax, grab a notebook, or just listen carefully. Your brain is about to grow stronger. Let's begin. Section 1. Understanding memory, 8 minutes. To take care of your memory, you first need to understand how it works. Your memory has 3 main steps. Encoding, taking in information. Storage, keeping that information somewhere in the brain. Retrieval, finding that information later. Many people think memory problems come from storage. But most memory problems come from poor encoding. When your mind is distracted, stressed, tired, or multitasking, the brain doesn't encode information properly, so later, you cannot recall it. Think of it like taking a blurry photo. The problem isn't the camera, it's that the photo wasn't focused when you took it. So before you think you have a bad memory, ask yourself, was I paying attention? Was I tired? Was I stressed? Was I present? Understanding this helps you realize that memory is an active process. Section 2. The power of sleep, 10 minutes. Sleep is one of the strongest tools for memory. When you sleep, your brain organizes memories like a librarian arranging books. Here's what happens during sleep. The brain strengthens important memories. Removes unnecessary information. Cleans out toxins. Repairs neurons. Creates new neural connections. If you don't get good sleep, your brain acts like a messy office, papers everywhere, hard to find anything. Tips for better sleep. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid heavy meals before bedtime. Stay away from phones 1 hour before bed. Keep your room dark and cool. Try breathing exercises. Sleep is not a luxury, it is your brain's fuel. Section 3. Brain food for better memory, 10 minutes. What you eat directly affects your brain. Your brain uses 20% of the energy you consume daily. Here are foods that boost memory. Oily fish, salmon, sardines, omega-3. Blueberries, antioxidants. Nuts and seeds, vitamin E. Avocado, healthy fat. Dark chocolate, flavonoids. Green vegetables, vitamins. Water, hydration. Hydration is extremely important. Even a 2% loss of body water makes it harder to focus. Avoid foods that harm memory. Too much sugar. Processed foods. Deep-fried oils. Excessive alcohol. Your brain is like a high-performance car. If you put in bad fuel, it slows down. Section 4. Exercise and movement, 10 minutes. Many people don't know this. Exercise is not only for your body, it is for your brain. When you move your body, you increase blood flow to the brain, oxygen supply, neurotransmitters, hormone balance. Exercise even grows new brain cells in the hippocampus, the memory center. You don't need to do heavy workouts. Even 20 to 30 minutes walking, light jogging, dancing, stretching, yoga, all help your brain function better. Movement reduces stress, improves mood, and clears mental fog. Section 5. Mental training. Exercise your brain, 10 minutes. Your brain works like your muscles. If you don't use it, you lose it. Activities that strengthen memory. Reading books. Doing puzzles. Learning a language. Learning a new skill. Playing chess. Practicing recalling information. Memorizing numbers, words, or details. One powerful technique is active recall. Try remembering something without looking at it. For example, after reading a page, close the book and summarize what you learned. Another technique is spaced repetition. Review information at increasing intervals. Day 1. Day 3. Day 7. Day 14. This method helps the brain store information long-term. Section 6. Mindfulness and reducing stress, 8 minutes. Stress is one of the biggest killers of memory. When you are stressed, the brain releases cortisol, which affects memory centers. That's why when people panic during exams, they forget everything, even things they know. Ways to reduce stress. Meditation. Deep breathing. Listening to calming music. Journaling. Nature walks. Avoiding toxic environments. Even 10 minutes of mindfulness can help clear mental clutter and increase focus. Section 7. Staying organized, 5 minutes. Organizing your physical environment helps your brain stay clear. A messy room equals a messy mind. A messy schedule equals a confused brain. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, phone reminders, sticky notes. Organizing your desk. Write things down to support your brain. This frees mental space so you can focus on important tasks. Section 8. Social interaction and brain health, 4 minutes. Talking with people keeps your brain active. Conversation requires thinking, listening, responding, and understanding all cognitive skills. Studies show that people with strong social connections have better memory, lower risk of Alzheimer's, better communication skills, more emotional balance. So spend time with family, friends, community, or join groups with similar interests. Section 9. Daily brain routine, 5 minutes. To keep your brain remembering well, build a daily routine. Morning. Drink water. Stretch. Learn something new, 10 minutes. Review your goals. Afternoon. Eat brain-healthy foods. Walk or move. Take short breaks. Evening. Review what you learned today, active recall. Avoid screen before bed. Sleep well. Conclusion, 5 minutes. Your brain is your greatest asset. You only have one, so take care of it. Remember, sleep well. Eat healthy. Move your body. Train your mind. Reduce stress. Stay organized. Keep learning. Memory is not magic, it's a skill. And with the right habits, you can improve it every day. Thank you for staying with me for this 1-hour topic. I hope this helps you grow stronger, think clearer, and remember better.